Say it again.
These are so cute. I love them so much. Hello, I have my Neko Mimi. They're making me happy. I'm going to try to relax now and see if they kind of just ease off. I may be too excited.
Okay.
This is making me so happy. I'm having a hard time relaxing. Okay, I'm going to turn them off and let's put them on Inari and then let's